What's up, guys? Welcome back to another episode of Smoking Jazz Barbecue. And today we're going to be doing pork tenderloin, and we're going to be doing two kinds. One is going to be injected with pineapple juice, and the other one is going to be injected with regular apple juice. We're going to see who wins the battle of the most tenderest pork tenderloin ever. Oof. Can't wait to taste this, guys. Stay tuned. I'm going to show you how to do it. Alright, guys, let's just jump right into it. If you haven't had the chance to subscribe yet, what are you waiting for? Hit the subscribe button right now and ring that bell. That way you stay updated on all the latest content that I put out. And today we're going to be doing the battle of the pork tenderloins. Man, it's going to be good. So let's get started without further ado. And keep in mind, guys, here are all the ingredients that you can be seeing right here, and it's going to be listed down below in the description box. And also, guys, just to give you a little disclaimer, the pork tenderloins are not equal in size as far as pound goes. One is a 7-pounder, one is an 8-pounder. And the 7-pounder is going to be the apple juice injected one, and the other one's going to be the pineapple juice injected one. So just to let you know in size difference. So here we have the 8-pounder that we're going to inject with the pineapple juice, and we're going to do a checker-like style pattern. And once we finish injecting, we're going to let this sit for about 2 hours or more. And the same thing goes with the apple juice injected one, which is the 7-pounder pork tenderloin. We're going to do the checker-like style pattern as well, and let this sit for about 2 hours or more. And I know 2 hours is a long time, but the more you let this marinate, the better it's going to taste. I promise you that, guys. So we're going to use some yellow mustard right here as a binder for our rubs to stick to, and I'm just going to smear or coat this all around, even the back and the sides, guys. We got to make sure everything is nice and coated. And for the pineapple juice one, I'm going to use the McCormick Applewood. This is going to be some good stuff right here, guys. I promise you that. If you haven't tried this yet, give it a try. We're going to do a nice heavy coat on it because we want to make sure that this is fully flavored all the way around. And I promise you this, guys, oh, this is going to taste so good. Oh yeah. Alright, so next we're going to do the apple juice one, and for the apple juice we're going to use the Pitfalls brand, and it's going to be the pulled pork barbecue rub. This is also some good stuff, and it got a lot of good flavors on this as well. I definitely like this one as well, and I don't know which one is going to win, but I promise you this is good on pulled pork, guys. Oh man, on any pork products. Try that on some pork chops, man. I promise you it's going to be some good eats. Alright, guys, so here is the pineapple juice one with the Pitfalls pulled pork rub, and this is going to be the 7-pounder, and this is the 8-pounder we have right here with the pineapple juice injected, and we're using the McCormick's Applewood barbecue rub. Man, I can't wait to try both of these tenderloins, guys. And as you can see right there in the middle, I have some apple cider vinegar that I'm going to spritz both of these tenderloins with, and it's going to give us some flavor and color. Meanwhile, we're going to prep our pellet smoker for grilling and smoking. And as you can see right there, guys, it's 40 degrees outside my house right now. And we're just going to open this lid and let this air out. And if you got a smokestack, make sure you open that as well. If not, don't even worry about it. And today's wood flavor, we're going to be using the competition salt. Some hickory, some maple, and some apple. Man, I promise you this is going to be some good blends for this pork. And once you see smoke come out this chamber, we're going to close the lid and we're going to crank our temperatures up to 250 degrees. And as you can see, the temperatures dropped by 5 degrees. Man, crazy, right? I don't know what's going on with this crazy weather we had lately. This is crazy. Anyway, our pit bulls also next has come up to temp. And guess what time it is, guys? Guess what time it is? Time for some smoke flavor. Take a look at those pork tenderloins, guys. Take a look at those, man. Wow. We haven't cooked them, we haven't smoked them, we haven't grilled them yet. Man, they are looking good right now. Man, oh man. Alright, guys, so we're going to use some meat thermometers just to make sure we get an accurate reading on these tenderloins. And we want to make sure we place them dead in the center. And that's going to allow us to give us proper reading throughout the entire cook. And we're going to shoot for a target temperature of 145 degrees, and that's going to be in Fahrenheit, guys. And as you can see right there, both tenderloins are at 43 degrees. And we're going to smoke and cook this for about 3.5 hours at 250 degrees, and we're going to check on it each and every 30 to 60 minutes. Man, oh man, it's going to be some good stuff. So 10 minutes has gone by, and we have shot up to 50 degrees on both tenderloins. And another 60 minutes has gone by, and let's take a look at what they look like. Wow, I can't wait, man, to eat these, guys. Take a look at that. Let me give you the slow motion effect. Yes, sir. Man. Alright, so we got to spread some, guys, and again I'm using the apple cider vinegar only, nothing else but apple cider vinegar only, and we're going to spritz it just to give that color and moisture. Alright guys, so another 30 minutes has gone by, and let's see what they look like now. As you can see, we're not too far from that 250 degrees target. Wow, man, oh man, that brown mahogany color starting to set in, guys. So we're going to spritz it some more just to ensure that we get to that consistency color we're looking for and maintain that moisture. So we're going to do a little twist right here, guys. We're going to treat this just like a pork ham, and we're going to add some pineapple slices to our pineapple juice injected pork tenderloin. Man, oh man, that's going to be some good stuff right here, guys. And we're going to secure it with some toothpicks just to make sure they don't fall off the pork tenderloin. Now, the only difference is I could not find any canned apple slices to add to our apple juice injected one. But hey, this is going to be the way we're going to be doing it, guys. So I apologize if this offends you anyway, anyhow. Alright guys, as you can see right there, I have flipped the pork tenderloins to the opposite end just to ensure an even cook for the remaining cooking process. And another hour has gone by, and as you can see by that picture, guys, 145 target has been reached on one of the pork tenderloins. Man, oh man. And actually, the apple juice injected one has the one who has won the competition as far as cooking time. Wow, she's looking pretty, guys. So as you can see, through the miracle of time again, 45 minutes has gone by, and the pineapple juice injected one has finally reached its doneness. Oh yeah, this is food porn right here, guys. Take a look at this. Wow. You see that nice shine, that nice glaze on it, that brown mahogany color, guys? Wow. Oh yeah. Hey sexy. Hey sexy. Oh man. She's looking pretty, guys. Oh yeah. So let's take a close-up look. This is the review on that pineapple juice injected one, guys. Let's take a close-up look at what she looks like. Oh yeah. Oh man. So let's cut a little slice to see what the tenderness is like. As you can see, it cut through just like butter, guys. Wow. We got a nice little smoke ring right there, and we got that juicy tenderness on that as well. So let's do the apple juice injected one. Oh man, definitely there with the tenderness and the moisture and the juiciness. And take a look at the carton board, guys. All them juices are running out, and as you can see, we got a nice little smoke ring on that too. Just a tiny little one, but it's still okay. Wow. So we're gonna label these with the correct labels, and we're gonna do the taste test, and it's judgment time. We're gonna see who's gonna be the winner. All right, guys. So I'm gonna taste the apple one first, and which is this one, and I'm gonna see what's the tenderness like. Look, pulled just apart, tender as hell. Good flavor, very tender. This is the apple one. This is, I don't know if you can see the smoke ring. This is the pineapple juice one. Look, put just apart. Whew. Very good flavor. I'm gonna say, in my personal opinion, this one takes the winner. The pineapple juice, definitely all the way. But we're gonna get the rest of my family members to see which one is the best. All right, so we're gonna do a little vote, and we're gonna score up and tally up who's gonna be the winner. All right, stay tuned, guys. All right, go ahead, let me know.
So this is the apple flavored pork.
What do you think?
It's good, but you really can't taste the apple.
Can't taste the apple, right? Okay. We're looking for tenderness. Tenderness there?
It's very tender.
Okay. All right, next one.
So this is the pineapple pork.
Pineapple. What do you think?
You can taste the pineapple.
Okay. So which one is the tenderest? Pineapple or regular apple?
I'm not gonna say the apple.
The apple? Okay. So we got one for the apple. Your turn, babe.
I'm gonna take another piece.
Yeah. Go ahead. Greedy.
I'm smacking.
All right. So what do you think?
That's good. Very tender. We could taste the smoke flavor.
All right. That's the apple one, guys. All right, let's go with the pineapple. Let me know.
That's a big piece.
Well, you can pull it apart. It's very tender.
Don't you want the rest of it?
I'm your reinforcements.
My family's greedy.
Alright, yeah.
But the apple's the more tender, right?
I don't know. This piece is tender.
All right, you gotta make a choice. Pineapple or apple?
I like the apple.
The apple? All right, so that's 2 for the apple, guys. All right, guys, this is the final moment. We're gonna have one more judge. All right, guys, so on the right, we got the pineapple, and on the left, we got the regular apple. So go ahead and choose and eat. Let me know what you think.
It's good.
All right, so that was the pineapple. All right,
I taste the pineapple.
You taste the pineapple? Okay, good. And that was the apple, guys. What do you think?
I like the pineapple better.
Pineapple?
They're juicy. They're both juicy though.
Both juicy, okay. All right, so we got a tie score, guys. And we're gonna do something different. We're gonna let somebody special choose the winning pork tenderloin. It's gonna be somebody very special. All right, so we're gonna determine who's gonna be the winner. Whichever he chooses first is gonna be the determining winner of which one is the most tenderest pork tenderloin. All right, go ahead, son, put it down. Wait, not ready. Not ready,
Right,
not ready,
So the left plate is apple and the right is pineapple.
not ready. So the one on the left is gonna be the pineapple. The one on the right is gonna be the regular apple. Ready? Go. Uh-oh, pineapple won, guys. Straight to the pineapple. So there is the winner. Alright guys, so pineapple juice wins this battle. Thank you so much for watching from the bottom of my heart. I truly appreciate it. If you haven't had that chance to subscribe, make sure you hit the subscribe button right now and ring that bell. That way you stay updated on all the latest content. Make sure you share this video with all your family and friends. And if you like the video, hit that like button. Until we meet again, guys, this is Smoking Jazz Barbecue.